lock. Alright, it assures me it is in fact a lock. Oh, it works so smoothly too. Oh, it's great. This was a freebie that came with another lock I bought, which I hope to feature in the relatively near future. So let's see what it takes. Oh boy, let's see what it takes to get this paragon of quality picked. Okay, there's one, maybe number 4. All right. Oh, looks like maybe 3. Alrighty. I didn't prepare to gut this because I don't really think it's worth it. Was this one of those where you had to? Whoops. Let's just assume it's pretty much all standard pins in there. This is what happens when you fiddle with locks. We're just gonna take this guy. I think perhaps I would be better off with a thin. Oh, where'd he go? I was looking for one of these guys. Whoa! All right. One pin just straight up popped out. Well, this will be interesting. Did I brick this guy? In which case I can gut it anyway. Or is it saved? Where'd the keys go? I think it's bricked. Okay, well, that's not something I'm gonna do right now because I have to cut this guy in half, but I think we had a pin or two pop pop out and go hiding. Oh, no. Oh, for heaven's sake. It still works. Why do you still work? This is one of the... Oh my gosh. Cheapest locks I have ever experienced. Okay. Fascinating. There may be some pins jambling around in there. It just worked a second ago. Ah, okay, so I might have a spring caught. Oh boy, that is fascinating. I'm super curious about what's happening in there. I cannot tell. It all looks pretty normal. You probably can't see that. That's alright. So anyway, this is the... Oh, the key fit this time. Oh, and this lock is full of mystery and wonder. so there is a lock, a dimple lock.